Next section, and here is the new piece. Here's a change. Last year's application, there was another section here called the SAT subject test. This test was discontinued years ago, but last year was like potentially like the last group that could have done it. That test has been like gone for a very long time now. Officially, it is now off the application. So the first section will ask is AP exam. So what you got to do is you click, do you have exam to report? Yes or no? Click yes, add the exam. If it's complete, it means they did it already. 9th, 10th, 11th grade, click completed. When did they take it? Let's say they took it May 23. They took, let's say, AP Bio. Have you registered score? You should say yes. And then the score 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say they got a 4. Click save and continue. That's done. Let's say you're taking a class. Anyone here currently taking a class right now for next year's AP exam, right? So what we're going to do here, we click add AP exam. It's a planned class with AP exam. Let's say I'm planning to take Calc BC in next May 2024. Click save and continue. So with this, you'll see that it's just saying, hey, I took AP Bio, I got a 4. I'm planning to take Calc BC next May. I don't have a score yet. So that's how this looks like. You can add the rest of your scores. Save and continue. Next one, IBs. Anyone here in the IB school? So for those of you guys in IB schools, you can go ahead and click yes, add your exam. Same exact process. I took this, what exam area? This was languages. I took honors level Spanish, lit. And then I got a score. The score's out of 7. So I got a 6, for example. Okay, don't make up scores. Should be real scores. And then same thing, if you're planning to take it next year, you can go ahead and say, I'm planning to take it next year as well too. Same exact structure, same exact format there too, right? If you are going to get the IB diploma, go ahead and check there as well. Next one, English language proficiency. So if you are usually an international student, this is it. If you are kind of US resident, then you probably ignore this section. The answer is no. But then if you are an international resident, you can use your TOEFL scores, your IELTS scores, your Duolingo scores, or the English sections of the ACT and the SAT as well to fulfill this requirement specifically. Click save. Next one, did you need international schools as well? So yes or no. And if you did, yes. If no, no. And then save and continue. You have all this academics. Go ahead and click save and continue. Moving on to activities. That was like one of the longest section of all.